Hello again. Today we're going to be graphing exponential functions. So let's graph y equals 6 to the x power minus 4. All right, so I'm going to need some x values. So I'm going to choose -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. All right. So now we plug in our x values. So y equals 6 to the -2 minus 4. Y equals 6 to the -2 to the -1 minus 4. Y equals 6 to the 0 minus 4. Y equals 6 to the 1 minus 4. And y equals 6 to the second power minus 4. And let's see what our y values are going to be. So when I have x is -2, well, that's going to give us 1 over 6 squared, which is 36, minus 4. So we need to find a common denominator, which will be 36. So that'll give us 1 minus 144 over 36, which is -143 over 36. That's just a little bit more than -4. So that's -3.97. I'm a big fan of using the calculator for these. All right. Next, I have 6 to the -1. That negative puts the 1 over the 6. And then minus 4. Well, 1/6 minus 4 is going to be 1 over 6 minus 24 over 6, which is -23 over 6. And that's going to be -3.83. Next, this 0 exponent will make that 1, and then it's 1 minus 4, which is -3. All right. And 6 to the first power is 6. So 6 minus 4 is 2. And 6 times 6 is 36. 36 minus 4 is 32. Well, right off the bat, I know I'm not going to be able to graph that 32 on this graph. So I will plot the coordinates I can. So this will be -3.83. This will be -3. And this will be 2. Let's plot those 4 points and see if we can make us a graph. So when x is -2, y is -3.97. So just above the 4. When x is -1, it's just slightly higher. And when x is 0, y is -3. And when x is 1, y is 2. So we'll connect the dots and make a curve. So here we have our curve. Make sure to put the arrows on the end so you know it goes on forever. And that's how you graph the exponential function y equals 6 to the x power minus 4.